Welcome to the modern times where technology is advanced, beauty industry is flourishing, but humanity is in banal trends. A huge variety of makeups people buy to cover the scars. They have stopped healing wounds that requires plenty of wars. Welcome to the modern times. Welcome to this human world where almost everything now in cold, heavy dreams has furled. Welcome to the modern times. By the way, I'm not two times Golden Globe winner Jim Carrey, ladies and gentlemen. I am just a mediocre soul wandering here on earth. See you in the next video.